Hey guys, so for today, let's go and create a student application. So this, to summarize what we're gonna create a school, and we're going to have a home screen page, and we're gonna enroll students using a certain HTML page. So this is a web application. So the idea over here is we're gonna use Django framework to do the same. So let's get started. I'm gonna start from the beginning. So first thing is we're gonna create a project. Okay, so the project name would be, let's say, test project. Okay, create. Once this is created, so let me open terminal. So now let me install Django. So because I have a virtual environment here, so this doesn't have any uh, applications installed. So this is installing Django. Okay, yes, after installing, so test project. So I'm going to create another project inside this uh, called as school. So this is the command Django admin start project school. So as you can see over here, school gets created. So I'm going to go inside school and then I'm going to create an app called student. So now, so this is the command manage PY startup called student. So now you have student over here. So the first thing what we have to do is we have to add the student inside the admin. So first thing is, let me find this admin here, not admin inside student, but inside school. You have to add that inside settings. So installed app. So I'm gonna add student, stud and student. Okay, so this is first thing. So now the second thing would be to add a middleware. So there is a middleware here. So we just add this certain command. So this is CRF view middleware. So there is extra code here. Okay, save it. So now, okay, everything looks right, fine. So let's run the server, manage py and run server. Manage.py, runscr run server. So if you click on this, yes, the install worked and successfully. Congratulations. So yeah, so that's that. Now let's come out of this. Now, the first thing what we need to do is this Django works on model view controller. So let's forget about model for now. So our intention is let's spin up that school homepage. Okay. So whenever a URL is hit, it has to be redirected to student. And inside student, let's create a home page for the school. Okay. For that, let's actually create a let's go to URLs. Okay, so let's say if there's anything, any URL which comes, okay, any URL that comes, redirect to student. So for that, let's actually include this. So let's say include students.url. Okay, so that's that. But if you notice, we do not have the URLs file created inside student. So let's create one here. New file, Python file. URLs. Okay, URLs is created. So what we can do is we can copy the exact same details from URLs. Control A, Control C. Let's go to URLs and paste it over here. And we can remove this. So now let's say if now the control has gone from URLs admin to URL student. So now we can say that if there's any URL which which is of the root, then direct to home page. So what we can do is we can actually remove this. Okay, remove this, and we can say from dot views import star. So let's create a home page here. HOME, just say home. So what is this home? So we have to create a method inside views. So this is how the control pass. Okay, so the control passes from the controller to the views. So it has gone from the school to student using URLs, and now it has gone to views. So going back to views, so we're gonna create a definition called home. Okay, and we're gonna say request. Okay, now we say return. Okay, render template. One second. So here you go. X. Okay, so now what happens is whenever you have a get request, we don't even require this, but still we can remove this. So whenever you have a get request, redirect to home.html. So now where is this home.html page? So let's create a directory called here templates, templates templates, and then let's create a HTML file called home, HOME. Okay, so let's just say home and head, and let's say h1, and let's say home, control C. Okay, so now if you look at the views here, so now the control goes from the school URLs, and the school URL redirects to student URLs, and from student URLs it goes to views. So that's how the whole chain of function goes. So from this views it will try to render this page, and which then this page will be here. Okay, so let's run this. Run server. Click on this. Yep. So this is working fine. So that's all for now. So this will be our basic homepage, and we can start adding more details in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.